Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and today I want to talk about how to generate random numbers using JavaScript. So it's actually quite straightforward and you can achieve this by using the Math.random function. So if you were to type out Math.random like that in JavaScript, you actually get a random number from 0 to 1, non-inclusive of the 1. So this gives you a random large floating point number. So if I was to create a new variable here and call this one random equal to the return value of that function, random should now be a large floating point number between 0 and 1. So if I was to use the console.log method here and pass in random, we should now see a random number printed out to the side console. If I was to save and refresh the browser here, we get 0.75998 and so on. If I was to refresh once again, we get a different number. Alright, so that is the basics of making a random number, but most of the time you actually want a number that's a whole number between 1 and 10, for example. So to actually convert this result here into a whole number between a range of 1, 2, and then whatever, you can do this using the Math.floor function. So back inside here, let's see with an example. Let's create a number between 1 and 10. Number between 1 and 10. Alright? So we can do this by actually wrapping the result of this inside the Math.floor function. So if we type out math and then .floor, floor is going to round a number down to the next, to the closest whole number or integer. So math.floor and then multiply this result here by 10. Okay, so 10 right there. And then plus 1 to that. This will now be a random number between 1 and 10. If I was to save and refresh the browser this time around, you get 1. Again, 8, 5, and so on. Alright, so that is between 1 and 10 inclusive on both ends. The way this works is that if I was to just remove this math.floor real quick, and also this plus 1, okay, save and refresh this, we can see we get, we get this 6 up there. So we're saying 6 math.floor, that'll make this back down to 6, and then plus 1 to give you 7. And the same thing works in all other cases. So that is how you can generate a random number between 1 and 10, or 1 and whatever you like, for example 20, like that in JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.